Hi y'all, it's Alane Freund here. Bonjour, je suis en France with your HSP Travel vlog. And you know what? I'm at the French grocery store, so Annette taught me a couple tricks. I thought I might share them with you. So here we go. There's road construction, so pardon. So there's a lot of traffic here today, and this is the Super U, and it's a big grocery store. And my friend had a great suggestion that I come here and do my shopping before I go out to my rural Airbnb, and I might even buy a little cooler because I like to eat my own food. So here's how it works. These are the grocery carts. They're brilliantly locked together. It costs 50 cents, 50 centimes, to get them free, and then you get your coin back after. So my first grocery store experience, I couldn't get a cart. Couldn't figure it out to save my life. So there's nothing intuitive about it. So here we go. Woo, crazy. I'm going to pause until we get inside. Okay, so here's a kind of crazy thing. First of all, at the post office, I had to ring the doorbell to be allowed in. But this is a revolving door to get into the grocery store. And one shopping cart at a time, one family at a time. See how that works? Here we go. Little advertisements in there, sort of like the candy at the cash register. They're encouraging you. Maybe I thought they were encouraging you to bring your own bags, but I think they're encouraging you to not bring your backpack in and shoplift. Funny enough. So here we go. This is a massive grocery store. When I came in here, I said, "Oh, this is like Walmart." I think Annette was a little insulted. You can let us know in the comments, Annette. But they have everything, just like any huge grocery store. Here's some postcards. Some of you may have received such things. Oh, good. All the phone stuff. Oh, that's always good to know. Oh, here are my notebooks. Okay. When I'm in France, I like to journal in something French. So I'm going to spend some time looking over these, like from a stationery store or, I guess, the grocery store. This is right up my alley. I need a stiff back, and I prefer lines, but blank is good too. Oh, this is actually an address book. I'm not going to use it, even though it might work. Well, I'll put it aside just in case. But look at all these choices. I love using what is local. And I always need to have spiral binding so it lays flat. It drives me bonkers. Normal journals. This is my kind of, this is a little stronger. I love that, but it's too small. So later I'll show you what I got. In the meantime, let's do a quick tour. I'll come back to this so I don't have to keep pausing. Linens. All the normal drugstore stuff. Actually, I saw a video about some of those products that they recommended. Oh, even some vêtements, clothing, some PJs. You never know. Hey, look, I could get une jupe, a drop waist dress. That's exactly what I want. Isn't that cool? Let me take you through the undies. You see how I mean it's a mini Walmart? So if I have to take a souvenir, nobody's going to know if I got it here or at the expensive boutique. So don't tell my family and friends. I could get myself a little camping chair. And then, of course, there's all the groceries. And one thing that the French do, which I do at home, is buy water. So there's some familiar brands and some unfamiliar brands. But I did find one brand of water that tastes the best, to me, the least yucky, and it's this one. That's what I recommend. I want to show you that you can get little coolers and stuff. Let me see if I can't zoom out anymore. That was for the kids, swimsuits, but I thought you might especially be interested in flip-flops and Croc things. And little slippers, just in case you don't want to pack such a thing. Get something in France, espadrille, and some suits. Of course, du vin. We have beaucoup de vin, and lots of all the typical food. Most of it you won't recognize, some of it you will. And I have Google Translate on my phone, and let me tell you, I use it. Okay, I think that's going to be your HSP Travel vlog for now. And welcome to the Super U. I'm going to go buy something delicious and some protein And, oh, even some little Converse sneakers. Hey, maybe I'll buy some shoes. Why not? Buy shoes in the grocery store. When in France, be French. This is Alane Friend signing out from your HSP Travel vlog.